What up? What up? Yo, Ryan Fire. What's going on? Thought I'd do a little stream today. See what's going on in these charts. Let me know if you guys can hear me all right. I sound a little stuffy to myself. Still getting over this C19 beer flu crap. I'm so sick of it. What up, Chusei Mafia? How's everybody doing? Might wait and see what's going on with this chat. How are we feeling, guys? Are we feeling bullish, bearish? How are we feeling? How are we feeling today, guys? You can't see me today because I did not feel like breaking out the green screen. And the room is a mess, so, you know. Just got back from vacation this past week. I was dealing with the beer flu. Haven't really had a chance to get around to cleaning and stuff. Just entered a short on Litecoin. Let's go ahead and let's go check out Litecoin. Let's see what's happening over here. Time frame. I imagine it's going to be on the smaller time frames because Chusei is a savage and likes to scalp. Let's go ahead and turn on the regular candles. Looks like we did reach a peak up here. Yeah, thanks, Ryan. It was pretty bad. The whole family got it. Everybody but the infant, thankfully. Somehow he came out all right. Never had a fever or anything. Everybody else had fevers, but you know, it's all good. Man, I had the worst vacation ever this last week, dude. Like getting that COVID or C19. Try not to get kicked off of YouTube here. Yeah, so Saturday got sick. Litecoin is trying to push up. What time frame is that short Tuesday? Let's see what we got going on here. 5 minute. Not looking too bad. Let's turn on Lux. See what the Lux is saying. We're above the EQ cloud. Trend catcher's green. Candles are green. Vu Manchu, we got that VWAP coming down a little bit, but that money flow is looking good up in here. Stochastics stochastic only about 74. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. But we are moving up, and this momentum wave, or the Stokes anyway, let's see. If we pinpoint the Stokes, I mean, you could see a little bit of a bearish divergence in there. Just a little bit. A little bit. I'm going to guess that's what you saw. Maybe a little bit of bearish divergence, but typically we're coming off of this one. But even then, we still got flat in the momentum. Kind of curving down a little bit. VWAP curving down, so probably a little pullback here. Definitely. turn on the trader's reality. Let's go ahead, turn off Lux, see what we're working with here. Yeah, we could come down. We could come down, cover this vector candle here. Let's go ahead and throw on a regular relative strength index on here. What we looking like? Can't see him blind today. Yeah, we do have on the 5 minute, we do have some bearish divergence up in here. Bearish divergence right there. Yeah, I definitely see that bearish div on Litecoin. Probably get a few smackaroos on that one. Probably a few smacks. Let's zoom out. Let's see what this looks like on bigger time frame. It's running out of momentum, mostly what I was going in on. Gotcha. Yeah, you can see as it's kind of running up, it's losing steam. And we're starting to pick up some high volume in this candle here. There's a lot of trading going on right here. So let's look to the left. Let's see. Let's go to the hourly. So we're above. We did break structure right here. Let me take off this trader's reality real quick so we can actually see what's going on. So we did break structure. Could see a pullback. Little pullback, or it could. That one's actually not looking too bad. It is overextended on the RSI though, and we do have that bear div on the 5 minute, so probably a little some. I pushed past the resistance I entered at though, so a little red for the moment. That's the resistance I saw I entered at, but it just pushed past it. Yeah. Pushed past it a little bit, but there is that bear div on the 5 minute. Might bring it down a little ways. We do have some bullish indicators here on the Fu Manchu Cipher A, VMC Cipher A. Let's see what what this ribbon looks like. We're sitting on top of the ribbon. I do like that. What's Lux Algo saying? Lux Algo is green. This is on the hourly, of course, so we could always see that, we go down to the 15. Come on. Yeah. And see, we got a blue X up here. That usually means take profit on the Lux Algo. And if you throw on a contrarian, if you throw Lux Algo on contrarian mode, it'll do it. It'll go to it. Throw it on contrarian. It'll probably say sell up here. Maybe. Shocked. I'm shocked. It's coming down though. Yep. Bear div playing out. We got a little red diamond going on up in here. Okay. So, yeah. I think that's gonna. So you shorted here. Whoa. What happened to my screen? Oh. I don't know. That was weird. So yeah, I think overall though the market is pushing up. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and go to the Big Daddy crypto. Yeah, it's fighting up against that EQ cloud right now. I do want to zoom out. Let's take a look at that 200 EMA. Let's take these drawings off of here. We are slightly above the 200 weekly EMA. Slightly above it right now. Need to see a push up here. Let's get rid of this so we can see. Okay. So this week has been pretty bullish. From the start. I mean, Bitcoin's up 9.5% on the week. It maxed out at about 16.77%. I haven't really messed with Lux Algo too much. You liking it? Yeah, man, I've had it for over a year. I love Lux Algo. There's many different strategies you can use for it. One that I just started, it's pretty simple strat. We just do the basic premium indicator. Let's throw this off of here. Let's just throw this stuff off. Let's throw the premium indicator on here. All right. Yeah, trend catcher. So, pretty easy strategy. Like I said, all you do is you wait for price to get above the EQ cloud first. So we got above the EQ cloud first here. And then we wait for trend catcher to turn green. It was already green. Now I'm going to take this off of. Going to take this. Let's put this on confirmation. Minimal. So yeah, trend catcher turns green. You can buy and then set your stop loss down at the swing low, and then just let it go until it tells you to sell, which was right here. So that's the easiest. That is one easy strategy. You can see it worked out here. Green trend catcher, green candles pushed up. You got to take profit here. Then you have a take profit here. Then no take profit there. But what I like to do is I like to add the, let's go ahead and put the correct one on here. This is just a regular RSI. Lux Algo has its own indicator, the Lux Premium Oscillators. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this real quick. Just kind of clean this up. This is the stochastic indicator. What chart tool is that with the clouds? That is Lux Algo Premium Indicator. All right, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to go to Ultimate RSI. Now, what we look for here is we look for price to bottom out on the RSI, like right here. Then we wait for price to come above the EQ cloud and then buy, and then you hold until you get to oversold. And you know, that would have been a nice little chunk right there. And then you do the opposite for shorting. Come down below. Candles red, trend catchers red. Ooh, this one burst up. Maybe I'm forgetting the strategy. I don't know. I'm tired. I was up until 4 or 5 o'clock this morning, so I should not have been up that late. I might be mixing two different strategies, but that's okay, because I'm not here. Well, maybe I do want to teach you a strategy too, but thank you. Taking notes. Take notes. Relax and take notes. Where are we going? All right, so we're still playing on top of the EQ cloud here, so that's cool. Well, trying to see. So what we need to get above and stay above is right here. Right here, about 22.8. We need to get above this line and stay above this line for our weekly close, which comes in about 3-4 hours. So we got one more 4-hour candle. And then we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. If we close bullish, if we close the weekly above that 200 EMA, that would be mega bullish. Whoa, 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 whoa. Might even be a little lower. Might be a little lower. Might already be above it. That'd be cool. So we just really need to hold where we are now. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, and you know, this little pattern too, I would like to see. Let's turn off Lux. I mean, this could easily. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's get rid of this. It's too much. Too much. Too much. So yeah. Do have a little bit of a bull flag. A bull flag. A little bit of a bull flag. And we're not too oversold on the RSI. And this is the ultimate RSI from Lux Algo. So, man, if we would have bought that dip right there on when the RSI dip, would have been nice. Would have been nice. Look at this dip right here. So first we dipped, but then price kept coming down. Still on Lux Algo. Still red, still red, still red. Still waiting, still waiting. Trend catcher's green. Turn green. We bottomed out. We're buying. Putting this as our stop loss down here. And then we're riding it up until that trend catcher turns red again. Trend catcher turns red here. That's when you would get out. Unless you just wanted to hold on and see how you did. Don't recommend holding on for too long. Always remember to take profits. Someone in Discord chat says diamond pattern on ETH 1 hour. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Can already see it. Let's get the Lux off. Get that Lux off of there. We got a little diamond action going on in here. A little bit of a diamond. A little bit. Little bit. Let's just go ahead and look that up. Shall we? All right. Diamond pattern. Let's just go to images. This is what we're looking like. Right here. Is this what we're looking at? Right here. Let's make this a little bigger. Diamond pattern. I mean, that one's tough. Diamond patterns are tough. I think this would have to be here, here, here. So everything has got a touch. That was the ugliest diamond I ever saw. What are we looking like here? Let's break. Let's make this a little bit smaller. You can see a little more of the action going on in here. This is an ugly diamond. When we go from, wait, what is it? Top to bottom. Bottom to top. And then if it breaks down out of here, and that would mean that it would just recapture this over here. If I throw on traders, yeah, that's just capturing these vector candles over here. So, I mean, that would make some sense for ETH to come down, come back into this liquidity pool right here. You've also got some liquidity over here, and you got a lot of liquidity over here. This is a highly traded zone in here, and we broke out of it, and now it looks like we could be coming back down to test it. Now, if that were to happen, obviously that means we would have to break this 50 EMA. I believe the white is 200 EMA, and then their blue is 800 EMA, and this is all in the 15-minute chart. Yeah, we do have the 5 and the 13 EMAs kind of bunched up together in here. That's these yellow and red lines in here. I would like to see these kind of bounce. I'd like to see that. I'd much rather see that than this diamond pattern play out. But we've come down, we've capturing. I mean, we could come down here and just recapture this zone real quick, but then you're pushing these EMAs down. We don't want to see that. I'd rather us stay above this 200 EMA. It's always nice when it crosses the 800. You can see what's happened there before. Cross the 800. 200 crosses the 800. It's lagging. Moving averages are lagging indicators, so that did show that we were in an uptrend, and then we just hit our high, and then came down, came up, captured this zone, came down, captured this zone, and then shot up. Almost recaptured everything to the left. Now we've got this funky diamond looking pattern on here, which could bring us down. Let's take a look at I mean, RSI is good, but let's see. Yahtzee. Market Cipher B. Fu Manchu Cipher B. Ooh, we got red dot. 15-minute VWAP down, money flow out. Yeah. Shorting ETH might not be a bad idea right now. Might not be a bad idea at all. Nope. From this impulse up to the top. We've already come down and hit inside here. Could come back down, give another little kiss-a-rooney here, right there, right on top of that 200 EMA. Could come down and hit that, and then keep on keeping on. Keep on trucking, come back down to that golden pocket, which also happens to reside within the vector candle range. So could come up out of here. Could see that little pullback. Maybe get some people caught in some shorts. Liquidate those shorts and send that price higher. That's all we can hope for. That is all we can hope for. Look at this mess. This is on the 4 hour. This is just Ethereum not wanting to do anything. Let me take this off. I mean, this is just garbage. Garbage, 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 garbage. So a little bit. We got a rising, broadening wedge. Broad. We go wick to wick. What are we looking like? Got more of a channel wick to wick. Okay. Still on the Still on that Heikenashis. Doing on the Heikenashis. Go to this candle. I do prefer threes. I prefer threes. Threes on the bounces. You got 1, 2. You got 1, 2. So come up. That would be nice right there. Breakout. That's not until the 26th. The day before the Fed meeting. I don't know, guys. The Fed meeting. That's what I think 75 basis points is already priced in. I think if it's higher, we might have some turbulence. Might have some turbulence at 75 as well. I think we'll be mega bullish if for some reason they pull a, rabbit out of their hat and do a 50%, 50 basis points. Just kind of shock everybody. I doubt that's going to happen, though. I highly doubt it. The economy's getting away from these guys. They're trying to keep their jobs, I think. Maybe. Oh, gosh. Let's see. I'm just going to go take a look at this here. Take a look at this here Discord chat. I'll see you guys. And by Discord, I mean the Frankie Candles Discord chat. So if you're part of the Candle Mafia, what's up? And you're here right now, what's up? Thank you for coming and stopping by. We're just we're going over the charts. Going over the charts. Just crypto and chilling. If anybody wants me to look at anything too, I'd be happy to go and take a look, take a gander. You just hit me up in the chat. Just say something in the chat, and I'll take a look. Right now, I do like how ETH is looking. We're not too extended. I mean, that VWAP is coming down. That money flow is pretty nice. It's up in the green. Stokes are sitting at a decent level. It's not too bad. One thing I would be looking out for is if we come down in here and we have this momentum wave like kind of roll a little bit, and then we have a little bit of a divergence between the momentum wave and the price action up top here. So you'd be looking at this one. You'd be looking at that one right there. You'd see price going up, which that would mean this would have to come up a little bit more and kiss that. And then if the momentum wave rolled off like that and we got this divergence, then that would send the price back down, which is completely possible. And that would give me my 3 bounces on the bottom. So that's what I would like to see. Doesn't mean we're going to get it. That's what I'd like to see. So possible short entry coming up, probably closer to the end of the day, probably. It's just how I'm feeling about it. I think we're gonna have a late day surge. We're gonna have a late day surge, little mini surge, just to push us over the edge, get us back above, get us a close above that weekly 200 EMA on the Bitcoin chart. We've already done it on this chart, the Ethereum chart. Let's take a look. Yeah, see, we already closed a week above on the Ethereum chart last week. Got that week above, and then we had a mega push up. So we come over here and look at Bitcoin. That's what I would expect coming from it. Is that little green candle, and then close above that 200 EMA, and then really get that thing really pushing up. So that's what I would like to see. I tried to get rid of this earlier from my phone, and it wouldn't do it for some reason. Go away. Okay, that works. All right, I'm going to go down to the daily. Let's go ahead and check out that VPVR or VRPR or whatever. Who cares? See how we're doing on that. And we still have this volume gap here. Right here, if you can see that kind of inside of it. Right now that's a little down. Let's go ahead and hello. There we go. I just want to go. Let's just do this. I should have just done a box. Why didn't I just do a box? But for point, I want to go from end to end. Could see some resistance here at about 25.5. Could see some resistance there, because if you can see that little bump on there, we do have a little raised. Wow, do have a little raised bump right there. So probably better to see it. And then we come back up and have a nice big little bump right here, and that's at about 27.5. Yep, 27.5, 25.5, 27.5, and 28.5 are numbers that I'm looking at for Bitcoin moving up, moving forward. Hoping this is some support that we're just building in here, and then we can just finish our pullback, and then hit that 3 wave, come down, hit that 5th wave, and then crash. Let's go ahead, throw a fib. Let's go from the top to the bottom. See what we're looking at here. Yeah, see, that puts us, we come down and then come up to the golden pocket. That's between 26.7 and 27.2. This is per the KuCoin chart. Also, might be different on other exchanges, but that's what I am looking at as we really come in here. We really need to break this, whatever this zone is here. Let's take a look. 23.4. A little below 23.3. Really need to get above that again. It had us, we had it at first, and then it pushed us down. So you can see, well, God. Pushed us down. This little big old bump right here pushed us down. Wrong button. And right now we're at this little bump here. I see us sliding down into here, hopefully within the next day or two, just below that 23K mark. Yeah, just below that 23K mark. Kmart. Well, right. What else we got here? Let's go ahead and let's look at Cardano. Take a look at Cardano. Let's see. It's got some mega resistance over here, but it does have a little. Oh, let's back it up. Back it up, Terry. Got some resistance up in here. This one's a little bit difficult to read. Let's squeeze it in a little bit. See what we're really working with here. Okay. Yeah. It might make it back up to 80. What is this right here? Just the bottom of this. 78 cents. I don't know. Maybe come up to this 200 EMA here. This is on the daily chart, so maybe it'll come up to there. This would keep coming. Maybe curve up a little bit as it's pushing up. Kiss it, 75 cents. Sounds good. Nice round number. Drops us a little bit right there. Seems nice. Seems like it'd be some good confluence right there. Come up to there. Let's see. Let's go ahead and throw a fib on it just to see. Throw a fib on it. That's from the very top here. What if we came down here? We do get a little close there, 71 cents right there, golden pocket right there. I think that's a little more realistic. But you never know. This is crypto. We could already be, bottomed out and headed towards the next bull run. You never know. 75 cents. Holy schmoly. Yeah, man. Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe and stuff if you like the content that I'm providing. I do appreciate it. Wow, I can't believe I've been on for 38 minutes. It's kind of crazy. All right, let's go to let's see another big one, AVAX. Let's see what AVAX looking like. Yeah, ADA 70 cents, 75, somewhere in that range I could see. The bearish diamond formation or diamond top is a technical analysis pattern that can be used to detect a reversal following an uptrend. Yeah. Just showed it live on my stream. We can go back to it again. We need some more viewers. Thank you for sticking around, Ryan Fryer. You're a boss. You're a boss. Are you in the Frankie Candle's Discord, Candle Mafia Discord, Ryan? All right. AVAX kind of looks like Bitcoin a little bit. We just got to get over this hump, and then it's almost smooth sailing up to hereabouts, about $54, $55. It's probably about where I'd put it. We go from top to bottom on some fibs. Oh yeah, right up there to the value area high. Wow, 69 cents or dollars. I mean, $69. I don't know. If we come down to this one, even that gets us a little closer. See, the thing is though, like once price once price starts to move up, I kind of expect, trades to start coming in on the VRPR, on the VPVR. I expect this stuff to really start picking up, as price is moving up. I don't think, we could see a straight shot all the way up to the, highest traded point, but I don't think that's the way it's going to go. I think the orders will come in before that, or at least it'll definitely stall out up there before it comes crashing back down. Stall out a little bit and crash down. Something like that. That's what I could see happening. But we do have some money flow trying to cross over here. What are we looking like? For some reason, this thing stopped doing money flow in front of the momentum wave, and I don't like it. I don't like it. But anyway, we are coming up on that money flow, approaching that zero line. The VWAP is below the zero line, but this could flip a little bit. The stochastics, we're riding a little high up here at 100. Back down right now to about 86. I do believe AVAX is probably in, if I have to guess, and I come in here to the 1 hour, I was going to say it's probably in for a short-term correction, probably due for one. Well, it's already been in kind of a consolidation zone. You can see it right here. It's been in this little consolidation zone. Yeah, just kind of consolidating in this area, and then once we can break out, that'll be good for AVAX. Good. We got the 3 taps that I like. I like it. 1, 2, 3. Double tap on top. Third tap's usually a charm. And come back down, retest, breakout. That's what I want to see happen. For real though. That's what I want to see happen on AVAX. That would be beautiful. Beautiful setup right there. That would be great. But yeah, that would, and then that could just bring us up to here. There's a heavy volume resistance up in here. As you can see, we've already battled through it there and battled through it here. So that's just something to keep an eye on AVAX. Let's go back to ETH and let's see if that diamond is playing out. Let's go. We're on the 1 hour. Let's get rid of this real quick. I did like this better on the 15-minute. You can kind of see it a little better. Things being hella glitchy, man. What's going on? Alright, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. So we did see kind of the diamond pattern in here. We do have that diamond, a little bit of a diamond. We go and we measure here to here. And then we bring that down to the breakout point. And we come on down here. Ooh, right at the bottom there. I don't think that's what it was earlier, but that's because I don't think the breakout point had reached in where it is now. That looks like a nice little short. Nice little short, maybe? Maybe nice little short right here. A little 3.42%. Can't complain about that. Cannot complain about that. I think that might play out, actually. I might go ahead and open up short. Looking good. Question is, on these diamond patterns, this just says straight out, right? So here's one. This is what I want to see. Almost every, you break out, you got to come back and you got to have that retest. Gotta have that retest. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me see. New window? Oh, I should have done new tab. Oh well. Diamond pattern explained. I just need a bigger picture. That's all I need. Just give me a bigger picture. Open link, open image, a new tab. There we go. There we go. Come on, just the image. So what I'm trying to see is, I'm pretty sure we'd probably come up. Let's make this yellow. So we'd probably come up, retest, and then come down. And that would be your entry point. Yeah, Mafia. Yes, sir. Alright, so there we go. So yeah, we break down out of it, come up. There's a lot of rules to this thing. Break out, come up, test, retest, see if it's legit, and then enter, enter, and then let it ride. Let it ride. So that's what we would want to see here. Let's measure out our let's do it. Yes. Button. Hold on. Replying to someone in Frankie in the Mafia chat. My wife and kids are gone at a baby shower. So I'm just on here talking and streaming. Just on here talking and streaming. Button going in. What's up, button? What's up, button? Is it button or is it button? Button. Some people say button. Sounds weird. Sounds weird to me, to be honest. Button. So yeah, we're looking over here at this here possible diamond pattern on the ETH price chart. It's an ugly diamond, but as you can see, they don't always have to be pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Touch all 4 sides. Looks good. Looks good to me. So I do think we could see that, especially when we throw on the trader's reality and we see these vector candles over here that probably need to come down and get recaptured. That'd be cool. Come back down to the daily open. It's possible. Personally, let's take a look at this. We got the VWAP coming out. And this is on the 15-minute chart, so at least some short-term push down. Let's go to standard candles. Standard candles looks a little bit different. Wouldn't it technically be an exit if you're shorting? What? What did I say? Oh, you mean if you're entering the trade? You're not exiting a trade, you're entering a trade. I don't know. Is it technically an exit? You're selling. You're selling if you're shorting. It's kind of weird. Oh, okay. But yeah, so we got standard candle going on in here. We got possible diamond going on in here. And I was showing the other viewers in here that what this kind of shape looks like up in here and how it does come down. You know, kind of comes down, recapture some liquidity up in here. Yeah, and then get back to moving on up, because I do think overall, in general, we are in an uptrend if this thing will load, even though it's been kind of sloppy for ETH. Past week's been kind of sloppy. Going to 26.5K by first week of August. I see that in Discord. Oh, what's up, Mafia? How y'all doing? Let's see. I've already got over a little bit of ETH on here, so let's go ahead, throw this on, see what this is looking like. There was a blood diamond on the 4 hour. Was that yesterday? Come up, we did break structure here on the 4 hour, so that's good to see. Next level would be 1644. Get above that. This thing can get cranking again. Really get cranking again. See if there's anything on here. If this momentum wave doesn't come up a little more, we could see. Let's go back. No, maybe not. I was gonna say, if this came up here, we got a little move up here, and then this momentum wave didn't come up, we could have seen another divergence, but I don't think that's what we're seeing. At least not on the 4 hour chart. At least not on the 4 hour chart. Hit me up with requests. What do you want? What do you guys want? What do you want to see? What do we want to go over? We want to go over Bitcoin. I always say Bitcoin on accident, on purpose. Let's see. Oh, those Stokes are riding high, and there's like momentum's coming up a little bit. We got that VWAP. This is on the 4 hour. VWAP's kind of coming down along with that money flow. Money flow's just kind of barely hanging on in there on that 4 hour. We close right here, though. I think we're good. Go back to the weekly. Go back, check out the weekly. Matic, please. Okay, I'll go take a look at Matic in a second. I do love my Matic. Love it. So we do have, we're barely above that 200 EMA or SMA. It's a simple moving average. I think the EMA is way up here. Let's go to Matic. Let's go check out Matic. One I've been playing with today. Let's go down to the 1 hour, see what we're looking at. We've been in this triangle. Let's go to, well, this is off. Get this off the screen. There we go. All right. Looking at Matic on the 1 hour. I like my lines to be almost perfect. And I'm lining them up with the bodies on the Heikinashis. So we do have tap 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, this line has been tested multiple times. This one right here, this downward sloping resistance, has been tested multiple times. This one's been holding up as pretty strong support. As you can see, it's only come down and hit it twice, and it's bounced right off of both times. So you've got the bounce there, and then you got a bounce there. So this upward sloping support is pretty strong up in here, I believe, but we're still running into that heavy resistance here. I think, well, let's go ahead. Let's take a look. Let's look over here. Momentum's wavy. We got some wavy momentum. We got the money flow kind of curving up a little bit. VWAPs in and out. So, like to see that money flow come up. That money flow can come up and push us over here, man. Push us over that line. That'd be phenomenal. Why does my line keep moving? I don't understand. It's not like I'm changing from log to regular or anything like that, so I have no idea why this line keeps moving. I didn't even change the time frame. Let's go down a smaller time frame. Speaking of which, we've got a reversal symbol here, but as you can see, those don't always play out. So this does look kind of sluggish, but we did break structure there, and we're trying to get back above it. So what I would like to see from Matic is for it to get above that 90-cent mark, and then test it, and then build some support on top of it, and then get on out of here. That's what I would like to see on Matic. That'd be very nice. But let's see, how are we looking? So we do have money flow. It's kind of out a little bit. VWAP's up. That money flows out, and the Stokes are going a little high. Yeah, kind of conflicted on the 15-minute. I'd be watching that 1 hour for sure, though, because if that money flow can come up, and that can give us that oomph to push us over that 90-cent range. Then 92 is going to be my next level, then 94, then 95, then $1. And it's going there. It's going to $1.20 probably, I think. Let's see. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out for Matic. See what we got. It'll load. Really need to do the whole Ethernet thing. Cable. So yeah, we got some mess up in here. We do have this block in here that's probably gonna be, that's gonna be something that we've got to mess with. That's right above $1, about $1.03. Got to break through that in order to get up into this next volume gap right here. So, and then we just have heavy resistance. Whoop. We just have some heavy resistance all up in this range. But if we can get up to here, maybe we can crack 130. But I'd be shooting for the lower end. This is where we really start building up again, which is about 130, 128, 130, somewhere in there. And then that's also, you got your long-standing support that was then turned into resistance. So that's something that I would be watching personally. But yeah, love from the Mafia. What up, AO? What up, Alex of Crypto? I know that's you. I think probably. Yeah. So I think Matic's looking good. We do have this nice little bull flag up in here. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Nice little bull flag. Bull flagging. It's actually more of a pennant. It's definitely more of a pennant than a flag. For those that do not know. Bullish flag, bullish pennant. Here we go. Wow. Beautiful. All right. So we have horizontal pennant. I don't know if you guys can see that. We got a horizontal pennant, horizontal flag. We've got a up sloping pennant, which I like these a lot. We've got an up sloping flag, which are also bullish. Down sloping pennant, bearish. Down sloping flag. This is your typical bull flag that people call a bull flag. And people will call this a bull flag. Horizontal flag. This one's, yeah, there's only two. We got the horizontal flag, but of course this isn't a downtrend. You get that horizontal flag. All that is price consolidating to get ready for the next move down. And then the same goes for when you're in an uptrend. So right now we're looking at a horizontal pennant. And technically speaking, this would be your entry. If we go by the candle bodies, if we go by the candle wicks, this would be your entry up here at about 95 cents, somewhere in there. So about 95 cents, 96, 97, 98. That would be your entry, technically, but I don't play by those rules. I want to break this structure right here, and then I'll enter, and then I'll be entering right here, pull that stop loss up, and then go long. I'd probably pull that stop loss down to the bottom of this one right here, the bottom of this. So it's a local low. So I would want my stop loss probably a little bit below that. Some people would even probably put it below this one to be safe, but I'd put mine right there and then let it go. Let it go. Hope it hits. Let's see you later. Yeah. Oh yeah, wife and kids. They're at a baby shower, so I'm just on here chilling. I might be going ahead and ending the stream because I've been on for an hour and this was fun. I'm glad I got to do this. It's been a long time. This was a nice refresh. I haven't done a live in probably over a month, maybe 2. So thank you guys from the Mafia for coming in and watching and hitting me up in the chat. I appreciate it. If you could just like and subscribe if you want, or if you don't, but at least hit the like button. Come on, help me out in the YouTube algorithm. But anyways, I love you guys. I'm gonna be done for now because I'm just tired. But yeah, I'll see you guys in chat. Love you guys. Peace.